Ever wanted to download YouTube videos or movies without the internet? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download them for offline viewing, step by step. Let's get straight into the video. So go ahead and click your YouTube icon. Then you can come to this search bar and type the name of the video you are looking for. Let us say how to upload a YouTube video. Maybe you want to download and watch how to upload video to YouTube channel. Click on it to search for videos. Then you go scroll and look for the particular video that you are looking for, that you feel you want to download. Okay, I'm going to choose this one, which is my video, since this is a tutorial purpose. So you are going to click on these three dots at the right side of your screen. Click on it and click share. Now you see copy link. Click on copy link. Then go away from YouTube. Then you click on this vidmate. If you don't have vidmate on your phone, I will create a video showing you how to download vidmate. Vidmate is not on Play Store, so go watch the video on how I downloaded vidmate so that you can download it properly and start making use of it. Click on vidmate. So automatically it will open and then it will display the link that you've copied on your screen for you to download. Yeah, as you can see it says how to download. So click on this download. So this is the link showing. This link that you are seeing is the link that you copied from YouTube. So click on download. Then it's going to show you the video that you've copied, which is this. Then you're going to select your resolution here. So if you want to download this video in music format, then you select, that is audio format. Then you are going to select the music aspect of it. So the higher resolution you choose, the sharper the quality of the video or the audio that you are going to download. So I'm not downloading music or anything. I don't want my video to be in audio format. I am going to select video. So I will click on video, and the highest here is 720, which is a good resolution. Okay, so from 720 upward are very good resolution. So the higher resolution you choose, the sharper your videos will be. Okay, after downloading, so click on download button, and of course they are going to show you advert. All you have to do is to triple click on this back button. They say press the button again to close the ad. You can see my videos have already been downloaded. So click on done. Then you can click back again once. If you check here, click here to see all the videos that have been downloaded on your phone. So this is, look at my video is part of them. My video is part of it. So go back and check your gallery for the videos. Click. Yeah, as you can see the video right here. If you click on it, you can play the video offline. You've created your YouTube channel. You can now watch your videos offline. That is how you can effectively download YouTube videos on your mobile phone so that you can start watching it offline. And this is good when you are out of data or the internet connection is not stable. Okay, or you want to save data. So this is a good option for you to choose. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you'll be the first to get notified. If you have questions concerning this video, you can leave me a comment in the comment section and I'll be there to answer all of your comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends so that they will also learn as well. Thank you once again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.